Now, this is another question. This is another question on AP. They said the seventh term of an AP is 22. Without wasting much of our time, seventh term A plus 6D is 22, and the 30th term is 91. A plus 29D. Since they said the 30th term is what? 91. This is equation 1. Equation 2. If you can see, A simultaneous equation, introduce a minus, is gone. So I have my 6D minus 29D is equals to 22 minus 91. 22 minus 91. 6D minus 29. I have minus 23D is equals to 22 minus 91. This is going to be what? Minus 69. So minus become 2 minus. You divide both sides by 23. 23 cancels 23. My D is what? That divide both sides by 23. So my D is what? 3. My common difference is 3. So I need to get my A. What's my A? You can put D equals to 3 in any equation. In equation, let's say equation 1. What is equation 1? A plus 6D is equals to 22. If you put D there, that's going to be what? A plus 6 bracket 3 is equals to 22. A plus 18 is equals to 22. A now is equals to 22 minus what? 18. A is equals to what? 4. If A is equals to 4, we've gotten our A to be 4, then our D to be equals to 3. We were asked to find the 50th term. Thank you. What's the 50th term? T50 is going to be A plus 49D. So what's going to be? That's 4 plus 49 times 3. That's going to be 4 plus 3 times 9, 27. Keep 2. 3 times 2, 6. That's 3 times 4, 12 plus 2, 14. That's going to be 151. So we are told to find the nth term. The nth term is going to be T nth term is going to be A plus N minus 1D. What's my A? My A is 4 plus, what's my N? I don't know, minus 1. What's the D? 3. So that's going to be 4 plus 3N minus 3. 4 minus 3 is what? 1. That is 1 plus 3N. So the nth term is equal to what? 1 plus 3N. That's how to solve questions like that. You can also post your question to me and I'll solve it. Thank you.